Hello friends, here I am with the trapezoid, a mathematical problem. We have to find the area of the trapezoid. That is A, B, C, D. Condition is this, that side of AB is just equal to AD. These two arms of the trapezoid are equal and BC is equal to 1 centimeter. Perimeter given to us 14 units. It means, let us suppose we have to find the area of this. Now let us suppose this side is equal to, suppose, x. Okay, then this will be automatically x because they both are given to us equal to each other. Okay, clear? Now, except this, if suppose this is equal to y, this is given to us perpendicular, huh? It means height of the trapezoid is equal to CD, that is equal to y. We have assumed it. Hence, the area of the trapezoid this will be equal to 1 by 2 CB into 1 this DC, addition of the parallel line, length of the parallel DC plus AB. Okay, this will be next. First, our aim is to find DC is known to us even though, but AB is not known to us and Y is not known to us. Perimeter is given to us. We are given that perimeter is equal to 14. It means this will be equal to AB in the X plus Y plus 1 plus X. It means 2 times X plus Y plus 1 is equal to 14, or we can say that Y is equal to 13 minus 2X. Okay, 13 minus 2X. Now what we have to do, we have to find somehow the value of X, and hence we can find the value of Y. Then we can put all the things in this formula and obtain the area of the trapezoid. Drop the perpendicular from D on AB at point E somehow. It means now and DE is perpendicular on AB at E. Okay. Then hence natural DE will be equal to CB. That is equal to Y. Correct? This will be equal to Y. In triangle, this AED, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem because this becomes 90 degree. We have dropped the perpendicular from D on AB. As per Pythagoras, as a Pythagoras theorem, we can write that DC or DA square is equal to AE square plus EB square. That is, DA square is equal to X square plus AE square. This is equal to what? This is equal to 1 centimeter because DC is equal to EB. It means this portion become X minus 1. Is it clear? This total was X given to us, out of which this is 1. It means this will be X minus 1. X square will be AE. AE will be equal to X minus 1. X minus 1 whole square plus ED square. ED is equal to Y square. It means this is another equation between X and Y. This is number 1. Now 2 is being obtained over here. We will get here X square is equal to, now this is x square plus 1 minus 2 times x plus y square. In place of y, we can write this. This x got cancelled, as we will have the equation. And 2x, yes, y can also be obtained by putting the value of 2x over here. Yes, from here, this it means from here we can write 2x is equal to 13 minus y. Okay, this can also be written. We'll get two values of x. So it means this 0 is equal to 1 minus 2x. At the present, in place of 2x, we can write 13 minus x. 13 minus y, sorry. 13 minus y plus y. Or we get a quadratic equation for y square. That is equal to y square plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Y square minus y is equal to 0. Then we can find the value of y by having the factor of this. Y square is equal to 3 4 is 12. 4y minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. It means y plus 4. If we take common, y plus 4 minus 3 can be taken as y plus 4. Or we are having two factors. The value of these two factors will be as y plus 4 and y minus 3. This will be equal to 0. It means that y will be equal to minus 4 or equal to 3. This is not possible because length can't be negative. It means y will be equal to 3. This is possible case. Okay, this is equal to 3. Okay, now this is 3. It means from here, putting the value of y is equal to 3, we can obtain the value of x. Okay, the value of x. 2 times x is equal to 13 minus y is equal to 3, it means equal to 10, it means x will be equal to 5. Okay, x will be equal to 5 because 2x is equal to 10, it means x is equal to 5. Now we are going to rub this. We are having all the values of x and y by calculating this. These are x equal to 5, then y is equal to 3, when y is equal to 3. These are the two values. Okay. Now area of the trapezoid will be this will be to half of this length of the two parallel lines. This is x. This whole is x plus 1 upon distance between into distance, perpendicular distance between this y upon 2. This will be the value of area. This will be 1 by 2. X is equal to 5 plus 1, this is 6, into y is equal to 3, that is 6 into 3 upon 2, that is 9. 9 SQCM. This is the answer. This is the answer. The area of the trapezoid will be equal to 9 SQCM. Okay, this was the theory. Okay, thanks for watching this video. It was not so difficult, even though it was entertaining. So I was simply entertaining this. You also enjoy this maths. Thanks for watching again and again. And don't please forget to give me like, subscribe. Okay, thank you. Good night, good luck.